Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to turn off your Google Assistant option into a Honor 7X. First of all, open your Google application, this one, and then on the top we got our account icon, so click it and go into settings. Then need choose Google Assistant. And then need scroll down and find general option, this one. And here first option in the list will be Google Assistant. Now I've got to turn on this option, so click to switcher to turn off. Wait a second for lags. Then need click turn off one more time, and that's it. Now we turn off our Google Assistant. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.